Hi, today I will show you our classical pillar candles. As you can see, these are very classical ivory white colors. And for the colors, we can make any color for your customization. And here is the white for display. And you can see here is the front label, and we can make your logo on the label. And we can also make the warnings and any other signs on the bottom label. And as you can see, there has the shrink wrap on the whole candle. And also, additionally, we also have a plastic card that wrap the candle surface, because the fragrance and the pigment usually have the oil when in hot temperature. So we have used the plastic wrap first and use the shrink on the surface, and then customize the label on the front. And the pillar candles have three sizes. These are very classical sizes. It's a smaller size, medium, and large. And the surface is smooth. Here is the pillar candles with the ribbed textures on the candle surface. So no matter you want the smooth surface or you want the textures, we can also customize for you. Welcome to contact us for more details.